How to delete your LinkedIn account on PC. This tutorial shows you how to permanently remove your account and all associated data. First, open your browser and go to linkedin.com, then log into your account. From there, click the Me icon at the top right of the screen. After that, click Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. At this point, click Account Preferences on the left side panel. Following this, scroll down to the Account Management section and click Close Account. From here, LinkedIn will ask you to select a reason for leaving. Choose the one that best applies to you and click Next. After that, you'll be shown a summary of what you'll lose once your account is deleted. Things like your connections, messages, and profile data will all be permanently removed. At this stage, if you want to download a copy of your data before leaving, LinkedIn gives you the option to do that from this page. It's worth doing if you want to keep a record of your connections or any content you've posted. Following this, once you're ready, click Close Account and enter your password to confirm. Finally, LinkedIn will send a confirmation to your email. Follow the instructions in that email to complete the deletion process. Keep in mind that once your account is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you've saved anything important before confirming. That's how you delete your LinkedIn account on PC. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.